neighbors, all. Because I want us to be very clear that those who are gathered here today are not just comrades. They are Jamaicans who are suffering like everybody else. They are Jamaicans who recognize that this country, as the party leader, Mark Golding, has been saying for quite some time now, we need a Jamaica where everybody feels nice, not just some people. Yes? We need a Jamaica where the pensioners know that they have a minister who is concerned about the long line in the sun that them stand up in every day to go and collect. We need a Jamaica where the government understand that $11,000 a month for a pensioner don't make no sense. We need a Jamaica where the little money that the families on path get can do a little bit more than just one day something. We need a government that understands that minimum wage needs to mean something to those who get it. Because some of us don't even aspire to buy one whole loaf of bread. We used to buy a half of bread. Now we have to buy it by the slice. We used to buy big jill oil. But now we have to buy a little tubes in the plastic bag. Yes? That is the reality that many Jamaicans face. When you leave here today and you go on your knees because we are a praying nation, I want you to pray for the teachers them. You see the struggle that them under. You see the stress that they are under. I want you to pray for the policemen. Because you see the problems that they're in. Not even a proper bulletproof vest. Some of them have to be able to go out there and protect your life and my life. We need a government that doesn't sit in parliament and laugh about the issues facing our people. But we want a government that understands their problems and is willing to put solutions on the table to make it better. And comrades, that's why we're here today. Because we know a man named Mark Golding. We know where his heart is. Clean heart. We know how clean his hands are. And it's time for a government that will put corruption behind it.
Let me jump